one you saw was this one, which we survived 6 years old. Now we're moving up to, how old is this? 10 years old and up.
Right before we start doing this, we're gonna give you guys a short commercial real quick, and then we'll be back after the break.
Alright.
Alright, I guess I'll open this one. Now, I really hope that I can actually do something that a 10-year-old can do.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
If I don't, you guys will probably never see me in these videos again. Yo, look how I ripped the box compared to how you ripped the box. Okay.
You opened it like a 6-year-old opening up a 10-year-old box.
I just ripped the thing all over the place, yo.
How we do it, you know?
There we go.
As
y'all can see, I'm the special one in the group.
Yeah. Don't expect us to put this back in the box.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna set up is
Wait, how do we know which one is which?
I know this one is the body of the baby.
Okay.
Okay, so we got the crib. We gotta set up his crib.
Wait, is it just them two?
Yeah, it's just them two.
So which one's Mando?
That's the question. Which one is Mando?
You
know what? Let's do the
We're
child.
just gonna do them together.
Yeah.
Because I can't do one and you do the other at the same time.
Yeah. Oh no! This is Mando.
Oh shit.
Okay, what do you want, Mando or child?
I want a Mando.
Okay, you do Mando, I'll do child. Oh yeah, I got the child right here, definitely.
Alright, so
I guess this is all Mando, or it could be all child. Does this look like a Mando to you?
nah, this is a gun. Child ain't got no gun. Oh yeah, these are Mando's arms.
It is.
Yeah. Right here.
Oh snap! It's his weapons. Yeah.
There's
Okay,
these
go
two
ahead.
arms right
It's all
here.
Mando.
Yeah.
This got to be child. I mean, Mando's not wearing green, right?
No, he doesn't have it.
Yeah.
No.
I think that's all Mando right there.
I wonder if this is Mando as well. It says 1 and it says 2-2. So whatever 1-1 is probably is the baby.
1-1. Oh, okay, dude, you got more than me. Oh, you got the hard mode. Okay, got it.
God damn.
You got 3 parts. I only got 2.
Shit.
Okay, look at it, cause he's got guns and shit.
God damn. What the hell I just stepped into?
Okay, so I'm gonna do the child. Thankfully, they separated our notebooks, instruction booklets.
I'm so sick they did.
So he's got the Mando. He's doing Mando.
How do I even know where to start off with that piece? There's
Okay,
like
good
thousands of that.
Good luck. Look at mine. Mine's so easy. I just got the. I start with the back.
Look at that. How am I supposed to know which one of that is with all of this? How?
Okay, so I got the child.
Alright, let's see. Yo, I actually completed the first step. Yo, 277. Not bad. Alright, let's see. Let's do this one next.
We have a flat piece. No, what am I asking you? You're number 2.
Yeah.
Trying
to take my pieces,
how the hell did you get my piece?
Trying to take my pieces? Okay, there we go. Now that's looking better how this was set up right there.
Welcome to my crib. That's what my child's gonna say.
Word.
Dude,
I really gotta go
I don't
back.
understand this.
What?
Dude, we're going backwards.
Huh?
How is this 8-year-old? How is this 8 years old?
That's funny as hell.
Just in case, because it was bleeping for some reason. Is it good? Still recording?
Yeah, it's good. 7 minutes. Yeah.
Okay,
Yo,
cool.
you don't want to be in any of the videos?
I can like my hands can be in there.
Oh, okay. Why don't you want to be in the camera?
I just want camera shy man.
I got you. As we go on,
Yeah.
you want to start conquering that, right? You start off small with just little hands, but you also sooner or later No, I didn't mean like I wasn't coming at you, but
You started small with little hands.
That's not what I mean. I didn't mean like you had small hands, but that's how you start off small is with hands. Just use your hands in there.
Like
Oh,
if
okay.
you notice when it comes to Joshua, when it came to traveling, it was with Joshua. When it comes to eating a lot of food, it was John Lloyd.
Oh.
Me and John Lloyd's videos were mostly eating food.
Oh snap! That's
And with cooking, it's Alan.
You said
Yeah,
cocaine.
Cocaine. Yeah. You know me,
Cocaine is Alan.
Sooner or later.
Sooner or later. Hey Alan, if you're there, let's make some cocaine together. When you come back.
I'm dead.
Is he doing the same thing with you're doing? Right now?
No, he's doing a different one.
Oh.
Who?
He's doing the baby. I'm doing
Yeah, the crib.
Mando.
Yeah, I'm doing the child.
You're doing the what? It is the
He's doing Mando.
Really?
I don't know.
Oh, that's Mando?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I'm on
Now I
step.
want to see that.
Look, I already got his
Shibboleth.
crib. Look at that, guys.
That's so cute.
I got his crib.
That's awesome.
Okay, oh, let me
Oh,
just make sure.
Place him on his
Alright.
platform.
Alright, next step is.
No,
Yeah, I'm really.
the other way. I'm getting ready for the
Bro, I'm
child.
about to cry. How does this go in there, yo? I'm so confused. Oh,
Are
maybe.
you reversed?
Oh, maybe I gotta get.
What the
That's how it holds it in place.
It's so jumbled.
That's what I'm saying. Like it's a lot.
Dude, I thought mine was complicated. You're what?
I'm excited to see that.
Oh yeah, Freddy's doing a good job on him though. Look,
Yeah,
he built the whole crib.
Right.
Look at that.
Holy
Baby
shit.
Yoda's head. Look at his eyes. So cute.
Damn.
It's floating too, man. How do you do that? It's floating.
Oh, I get it. The tape is supposed to hang out a little
Oh,
bit.
shit.
That's insane. Dude, Baby Yoda's gonna look badass.
Hell yeah.
Is it true? Is it true what they said
two.
about Baby Yoda is actually, I mean, the child's actually Baby Yoda's son, that he skipped child support? That's why he...
Probably.
That's what they talk about.
They
a
have,
lot.
yeah, they have a theory about that too.
Yeah, they-
That's why he's so wise. 'Cause
Yeah.
he ran out on his child.
Yeah.
Run, I must.
Run, I must. I'm so loud.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. Dude, look at it. This is already cool looking.
Wow. Oh yeah, and it's something that you actually put your work into.
Exactly.
That
They have
interesting.
that sense of accomplishment.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
So there you go, guys. The child is done.
Why is this one bigger than this side?
Oh, he's not done in this other side yet.
Oh, okay. It's supposed to be bigger on that side? Because it's not. We're going to take
Oh
all that
my
off.
gosh.
Nope, it's not.
My boy got a lump. Oh, you got it backwards.
Oh. I was right somewhere.
Okay, guys, and there you go. Mando. What do you think about these pieces? Is it pretty good? You think people should buy them? Try them out?
Well, guys, welcome back after our short commercial break.
Scared.
Who wants to open it? I don't even want
that's
to.
let me open it.
I don't even want to touch that
I
thing.
like
yo.
Yeah, last time you tore up that other one.
I know. Yeah.